Hello friends, I am Samir Ghosh and you are watching my channel samir'sclass. In my previous video, I have explained the types of charts in Excel and how to modify the chart title, axis title, legend, label, table, color, styles, etc. In this video, I will show all the 10 types of chart from the same data range. I have a sales data of different electronics item sales in 2 months. By selecting this table, I will first go insert tab, then select the chart option. From here I can choose any type of chart, say column, line, pie, bar, area, XY scattered, stock, surface, radar, and last one is combo. By clicking the chart area, I can modify or change the color style, chart style by selecting from this predefined styles. So I will select this one. In this way I can change the chart style. Similarly, clicking here, I will select this one. For pie I will select this one. Next, for bar chart I will select this one. Rado, again I will select this one. Area, select this one. XY scattered, select this one. Stock, select this one, and surface chart, select this one. Combo chart, also select this one. Now selecting this icon, I can change the axis, chart title, grid line, legend, etc. Similarly, for XY scattered, axis, then data label, grid lines, legends, I can remove or modify from this option. Next is automated chart. I have prepared all the 10 types of charts from the same data range. Now by pressing the del key, you see all the charts will change. Say press the del key, all the charts are changing automatically. It looks very interesting. You see, in this way it changes. All charts are changing. Simultaneously, you see the data levels also changing in this way. In this way it changes. You see, in this way it changes. Isn't it fun? How I have done this? For this, I will select the same data from this table, Ctrl C, and paste it in new sheet. Then select this data range. I will go to the insert tab, and from chart option I will select the XY scattered, that is bubble, 3D bubble, this one. I have select this one. this chart appears. Now simply dragging the corner of the chart, I will enlarge the chart. You see. Now clicking on the chart area and right click, select data. In this chart I have only January data. Now I will add the February one, February, and series x axis is this one, and similarly I will select the series of y values. I will select the y values, and next series bubble size. Series bubble size, I want the series bubble size is this series, February series. Clicking on OK, this bubble chart for the 2 months is appeared. Now clicking on here, I will remove the grid lines and axis also. In this chart, for automation charge, I will use the Excel formula RANDBETWEEN. Say I will apply the RANDBETWEEN formula in both the columns. I will type here is equal to RANDBETWEEN and select the bottom number is say 10 and top number is 500. Press enter and simply drag the formula to the entire column. You see the size and value of the bubbles are changes. Similarly, this formula I will apply this formula in February column also. So I will type here is equal to RANDBETWEEN and here the bottom number is 300 and top number is 900 say. Selecting this one, I will simply drag the formula to the entire column. Now you simply hide this column by changing its color and border. You see this data hides. Now you see what happened. Simply press the del button. These bubbles are dancing. In this way bubbles are dancing. How interesting it is. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the new video notification. Thank you. Have a nice day.